喺退休初期咧，我覺得好似嘆世界啊！但係咧，慢慢咧時間耐咗咧，悶到我想死啊！
年齡只不過係一個界限啦。
Behind the Spark reveals the real people and experiences that inspired DBS Sparks, our web series about banking and bankers. Season 4 of Sparks explores the challenges of aging societies. In Hong Kong, one solution is close to home, rehiring our DBS retirees. Jamie Xia, who plays Claire on Sparks, finds out more.
Hi Pierre，
喂，等陣先，食個早餐先。我要成日要食早餐先返工嘅。其實嚟講喺星展銀行已經工作咗啦，有25年㗎啦。我喺2012年7月中到啦，咁我係提早退休嘅。深度擔憂就因為我而家冇咗個收入咧，咁對於嚟講，喺日常嘅使費開支方面咧，都要諗過度過啦，咁都係要慳得一蚊得一蚊啦。其實我呢個嘅角色咧，就係主要都係幫分行咧，分流啲客戶啦，咁就教佢哋認識係呢個係數碼服務啦。如果教識咗佢用呢個網上理財去或者手機 app 去，當然開心同埋呢個滿足啦，因為可以幫到個客戶去認識到網上理財係咁方便，星展都好熟啦。咁我翻星展銀行做嘅時間，對於我嚟講，我都開心嘅。
Here we are with some of the retirees that have been rehired. Let's go say hi to Rainbow. She's over here working. Hi Rainbow。
有啲同事咧就叫我奶奶，我就一共喺星展銀行做咗超過10年。咁作為一個客戶經理啦，有啲人就話年齡係女人嘅秘密喎，我又唔覺得係喎。我係喺60歲退休嘅。咁有一日，我嘅舊主管啦 Shirley 媽媽小姐打電話俾我。
In Hong Kong, most of the people are aging. We don't have a lot of new generations. We decide to hire our retired staff because we find they are productive, more knowledgeable, and they are loyal to the bank because most of them have been working in the bank for decades. The first day they come to report duty, they're able to start the task because they know the process, they know the people. So this is more effective on this side. It also aligns with the Hong Kong government initiative of 老有所為 opportunity for elderly。
我覺得而家嘅工作咧好有意思嘅，唔單止口齒伶俐咗啊，我仲個腦轉得快啲啊！咁所以咧，如果有身邊嘅朋友啊，我都會鼓勵佢重新加入銀行工作嘅。
To see more about how the bank protects our clients and enables an inclusive workforce, watch the latest season of Sparks, out now.